What's the matter?
Because the formula's getting in my nose. I don't like that smell.
Is it stinky?
Yeah.
Can't you just breathe through your mouth? If you breathe through your mouth, then you won't smell the formula. What do you think? No, you're breathing through your nose. Breathe through your mouth. Dork. Breathe through your mouth so you can't smell the formula. Okay, tip the bottle so she gets some.
This way?
Yeah. You used to drink that. Do you want to take a drink out of her bottle?
Yeah.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
You want to take a swig? What do you think, Emmy? You kind of like your sister? Do you like your sister? Yeah. She's okay, isn't she? She's okay, isn't she? Yeah. What do you think, Maddie? Do you like Emmy?
Yep.
Does she keep her? Oh.
Ow!
What's she doing?
In my face.
Oh, she loves you. Now she's going to pull your hair. Oh, I think she wants her bottle again. I think she wants that bottle again. Good job. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.